So let's say we come in here. I'm going to draw a line that's the length of what the whole project is going to end up being, which is 47.7. I'm going to insert this dirty conversion of the project. I'll expand it or scale it to be the correct width. Okay. I'm going to finish this sketch. And then I'm going to go straight into manufacturing. I'm going to create a setup under the fabrication tab. I'm going to put my stock box point in the bottom left, and because it's only a sketch, if I want my simulation to work correctly, I'm going to give it a little bit of top offset. And I usually give a 1/4 inch around the edges. I mean, you probably wouldn't do it that you're cutting so wide, but maybe an 1/8, let's say. And I also like to name, we're going to call this the CC project example. All right, so now we have that set up. I'm going to go under cutter, and I'm just going to grab an example cutter here. I'm going to just put up the inches per minute. And now under the geometry tab, go down into sketch profiles, move over to the left hand side to the browser bar, go through your models, under sketch, find that sketch and select it. You'll see all the blue lines selecting all your sketch geometry. Okay. Now move over to the passes tab. I like to reduce the tolerance on ones like this. I like to add smoothing. Come on. And now in the linking tab, I'm going to put some pretty small lead-ins. And get rid of the pierce clearance. And let's generate. So this will take 45 seconds or something. Just give it a minute here. And these do take just a little longer than like sheet cam would or something, just because the way Fusion's interconnected to way more things than that. Still interconnected to the design environment, so it'll update through to manufacturing if I make changes and things like that. So it's just making sure it has all those little connections together. This one's lagging now. Come on. Oh, 14, 37, 54, 76, and then it should be done here any second. Yay. So there, it's done. Let's take a look at the simulation. It did discard some stuff due to linking constraints, but it would manage to cut this file. It doesn't, it looks like those are dashed lines, but they're not. It's just because of the pixels. Now that file is ready to go. You can go into here now, create your setup. There's your file name, and post some G-code. You're ready to cut. There you go. Let's get the G-code over there. There it is. All right. Well, hopefully that helps. If you, yeah, you do send along your actual F3D file, I'm sure we can find the pinch point. All right, take care.